Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the Apple TV screen is on and signed into your Apple ID, and keep the Siri remote within a few inches. Once done, press and hold the back, the left-facing chevron, and volume up buttons together for about 2-3 seconds. This triggers the remote's pairing mode and tells the Apple TV to look for it. You do this because the radio handshake requires an explicit pairing request. Hold steady until the screen reacts, so the devices can exchange credentials. Once the pairing mode appears on screen, follow the prompts. If the TV asks for a 4-digit code, type it with the remote immediately. This confirms the remote's identity and prevents accidental pairing with another device. Make sure you keep the remote pointed at the Apple TV and do not press other buttons while the connection finalizes. The system exchanges keys and installs the remote profile, which normally completes in a few seconds. When you see the confirmation, the remote is ready to control volume, navigate. You're almost done. Test directional swipes, select Siri and volume to confirm full functionality. If everything works, optionally adjust button behavior in settings, remotes, and devices. If the remote won't pair, follow this key troubleshooting step. Charge the remote for 15-30 minutes, restart the Apple TV from settings system restart, or unplug it for 10 seconds, then retry pressing back and volume up together. This clears transient Bluetooth glitches and usually resolves pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.